Imagine accessing a pharmacy that never closes, carries no side effects, and is literally waiting for you in the soil beneath your feet. Most people spend their lives dependent on synthetic boxes with expiration dates, never realizing that the most potent laboratory on Earth is the botanical world. You are about to break the cycle of chemical dependency and rediscover the ancient wisdom of nature with the immediate access provided in the healing power of medicinal herbs. In our high-speed modern world, the hidden enemy is a system that teaches you to mask symptoms while ignoring the root cause of your discomfort. You feel overwhelmed, anxious, and physically drained because you've been disconnected from the verdant embrace of nature's own remedies. Before modern pharmaceuticals, our ancestors thrived by using the leaves, roots, and seeds of plants to maintain a state of total vitality. The truth is, your body is waiting for a botanical language it already knows how to speak. This is the exact point where you reclaim your health. The healing power of medicinal herbs serves as your technical shortcut to understanding phytochemistry, the science of how plant compounds like alkaloids and flavonoids interact with your cells to promote balance. Instead of a one-size-fits-all approach, this ebook allows you to harness the synergistic action of whole plants, which is often more powerful and balanced than any isolated synthetic compound. You are not just reading a book, you are gaining a practical guide to identifying, cultivating, and preparing safe, effective remedies in your own kitchen. Think of the immediate micro-wins you can achieve starting today. While others suffer through digestive bloating, you can use the menthol and peppermint to relax gastrointestinal muscles for instant relief. While the world struggles with racing thoughts, you can utilize the sedative properties of valerian root to calm your nervous system and achieve a restorative night's sleep. From the immune-boosting power of elderberry to the anti-inflammatory strength of turmeric, you are gaining an arsenal of health that has been validated by both ancient tradition and contemporary research. The journey to a more vibrant, natural life does not require years of study. It only requires the right roadmap. Do not wait for your next health crash to seek a solution that has been available for 5,000 years. You now have the confidence to embark on your own path of natural healing with the digital shortcut found in the healing power of medicinal herbs.